Hey guys, I hope you're not sick of flowers or the Dollar Tree, because in today's video, I want to show you easy wreaths and floral arrangements on a budget that are going to leave you feeling ready for spring. First up is this gorgeous peony wreath that would easily be over $100 from Black Lion. Go to Walmart and pick up a couple of peony bunches. They're just $6.88 a piece, and this actually works out to be cheaper than the dollar store, though you could use dollar store flowers if you wanted to. Pick off all of the flowers from the stems, and you want a metal wreath form. You can get these for $1 at the Dollar Tree or about $2 from Walmart. Now here's the secret to making an elegant wreath. Put down some leaves first and then add your biggest flower. Once you've done that, add a slightly smaller flower up against the side of it, and then fill in with the really tiny ones. And an awesome trick is to use dollar store drying mats that you'd pick up for your kitchen as mats for hot glue. Do this all the way around your wreath form. You'll need about 2 bunches, and I love that these have built-in these gorgeous vines. It adds such an elegant touch. No one would have any idea you made this for less than 20 bucks. And if you already made a wreath last year, here's a really easy way to update it using Dollar Tree products. I found this really cute bunny as well as this burlap at the Dollar Tree. It comes in all colors, pink, purple, and green. And I also found at Dollar Tree these really pretty orchids, and I glued them all the way around the outside of the bunny, and then I just attached it to an existing wreath. This cost me about $1.25 for a really cute Easter front door. For forever, I've wanted to make a decorative nautical rope wreath, and here's how to put the wreath together really easily. I'm not gonna lie, I personally had a very hard time with this. Oh my goodness, this thing is driving me nuts.
I think you need the full one first. So.
Oh my goodness, I was like losing my religion over this, but thank goodness for my wonderful assistant, Jess.
You're actually gonna come all the way around. It looks like you're messing up, but you're not, because you are going to be going through here.
Through there. So that's what I was doing wrong.
So it looks like, wait a second, I shouldn't be doing that, but it's the every other. Now you go through here, and now on this one, you're actually gonna pull up through to get the top weave, come all the way down. This is where you wrap it twice.
You saved the day.
We got this. As you're near the end, just make sure to hot glue it.
You'll need about 4 rope packs for this wreath, so the total cost is about $6, including the flowers. We just hot glued them on, and this looks so elegant on a front door. I really love the woven look. And if you want, you can even add a little bit of extra burlap for a whimsical touch. Now for my favorite project, these spring vases. If you have been hoarding dollar store flowers, here's what you can do with them. First, we're using tulips, and you want to put a rubber band around them to hold them together and stick them in a Dollar Tree vase, and pick up an acrylic water kit. You can find this for about $7 at Walmart. I'm also going to put a link down below. And this is going to make that realistic looking water. These range up to $100 on Etsy, and they're so easy to make. Once you mix together, pour it into your vase, being careful not to splash on the sides. Set in your stems and let dry for about 48 hours, and then remove the rubber band. This reminds me of the game Operation.
It totally is, and I actually play that a lot, so you would think I'd be good at it. Yay!
And there are so many options with acrylic water. You can get different vases from the Dollar Tree as well as Dollar Tree rocks. And I'm not gonna lie, this is very satisfying to do. I feel like once you start doing this, you get really addicted to it, but you can come up with tons of different ideas. I like taking individual stems that look like sticks and then combining it with things that I already had sitting around the house to create beautiful arrangements on a dime. Be sure to leave a comment down below of which craft was your favorite from this video and which one you can't wait to try. If you enjoyed this video and want more easy spring DIYs, definitely leave it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. What did one flower say to the other flower after he told a joke?
Ha ha.
I was just pawing your leg. How do you know two flowers can kiss?
Cause
They have two lips.
oh yeah, two